very, very beautiful estate here.
What is up guys, Julien here of Social Vignerons. Welcome back to another wine video and welcome to my wine school here on YouTube, where I share the passion and knowledge of wine. I am a French winemaker and a wine writer and founder. I founded a few years ago what has become one of the most popular wine blogs in the world, that is called socialvignerons.com. Today we are going to be looking at how to pronounce and why the name of one of the most famous, one of the most popular, one of the tastiest and yummiest red wine type, the name of the French grape, Pinot Noir. We are going to be looking at how you should pronounce it, Pinot Noir, in a bit of a sophisticated, fashionable way, Pinot Noir, and more importantly, how not to pronounce it. Let's go.
Like for Pinot Gris, because Pinot Noir is a cousin of Pinot Gris, note that the T at the end of Pinot is silent, then it's simply Noir. If you do master the pronunciation of the sexy French R, then go and say Pinot Noir, Pinot Noir. But it's fine in English to say Pinot Noir. How not to pronounce Pinot Noir? Well, that would be Pinot Noir. No, rather Pinot Noir.
Now that's all for me today. It wasn't all that hard, was it? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are looking at learning more about wine pronunciation, make sure to check out my top 40 wine words video that will show up right at the end of this very video. And if more generally you like learning more about your vino, you're the type of person that likes your vino and like learning a little bit more about what you're drinking, well, have a look around my YouTube channel, where I'm sharing bit by bit everything that I know about wines. Also, make sure to like this video to support my work. Take 1 second, but it does help me quite a lot spreading the word about, the knowledge and the passion that we share about wine. And that's it for me today. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Cheers. Santé. Salut.